Hi guys, my name is Josh, founder of Tilted Spray Co. I'm here in Westfield, Indiana at Autogeek's warehouse where we're going to be demonstrating to you Tilted Spray Co. Tilted Spray is the first universal and reusable spray bottle adapter that can turn almost any spray bottle in the world into a 360 sprayer. And today I want to demonstrate how it all connects so you can have the best experience possible. So let's dive into the package. This here is a 3-pack, so of course it comes with 3 tilted adapters pre-assembled, a nice sticker, 3 of these extended length blue tubes, and 3 zip ties, as well as an instruction sheet with both our information on the front with a QR code and our warranty information, as well as a set of instructions for all the different types of sprayer heads that you might have at home. Now that we have it all laid out, I'm going to show you how it attaches to all the different types of sprayer heads so you can have the best experience possible. Firstly, here on my right, we have an example of some of the more industrial style sprayer heads. These have a thicker dip tube and are designed for more commercial applications. There's several variations of these, but for this size dip tube, the application will be the same. And on my left, we have examples of spray bottle heads with a smaller diameter dip tube, and in a moment, we'll demonstrate how to connect to those as well. First, with the industrial style spray heads, all we gotta do is pull out the original dip tube, replace it with the tilted adapter, make sure everything is snug and tight, and you have a 360 capability on your sprayer head. You'll also find included several different sizes of blue tubing. Now, some sprayer heads have a very long neck. If you need to, you can use the longer version to reach those recessed inlets. The tilted adapter is designed to fit all sizes of spray bottles. So whether you have a long bottle or a short bottle, you're in luck. If you have a shorter bottle, you don't want too much slack hanging out. Otherwise, you're gonna have issues with it binding up just like this. So in this case, we're going to trim it down just like this. We can remove the weight from the bottom. Grab a pair of scissors, trim it. I like to trim little by little so you don't accidentally cut it too short at the beginning. Reinstall the weight, and now we have it perfectly sized for a 16-ounce spray bottle, just like this. And one of my favorite aspects of Tilted is if your sprayer head ever stops working, you can remove the dip tube, grab another one, and it plugs in the exact same way, and you can reuse your bottle and your dip tube. That's pretty cool. Now that was pretty easy, but what about the sprayer heads with the smaller diameter tube? You'll go to remove this and you'll find that the blue piece just does not fit in there. Well, you're not out of luck. It's a very easy solution. Let's put this back in and show you how it works. Grab a pair of scissors, trim it off about 1 inch or 2 from the top with the dullest scissors on the world. Then we're going to grab our tilted adapter. Now you'll see this barb adapter comes off just like that, and then you can slide this right over that tubing. Now, Tilted was designed at this diameter specifically to account for the several different sizes of tubing. There's so many manufacturers in the world, and it would be impossible to make a version for each and every one of them. However, this universal fitment and size will work with your sprayer head. It goes on really easily, and it doesn't come off very easily at all. I've personally used a bottle just like this for several years without any issues. So just like before, we're gonna grab our favorite sprayer bottle, just like that, and we'll find we're pretty much sized to length. We might wanna trim it down just about a 1/2 inch. And again, go little by little so you don't cut off too much. And if you have any questions, you can always give us a call. Wrong piece there. There you go. And now you'll find when you hold it next to each other, it's just longer than the bottle, and that'll work great. So now you have a 360-degree bottle, and that weight will follow the liquid in any direction you tilt it. So whether you're spraying down into a cup holder or an engine bay, up at a headliner or around a wheel well, or you need to flip it upside down for some reason, you're able to do that. That is the power of Tilted. And again, if your sprayer head ever stops working, don't throw away your bottle or your dip tube. You can pull this out, put it onto another sprayer head, especially if you keep the original adapter, and you can keep using it over and over again. And one note real quick, these zip ties, although not required, are helpful when you're using a chemical or a solution that is extra slippery or extra harsh, such as a strongly diluted degreaser or a spray wax or something of that nature, and you just need it to stick on just a little bit stronger. I like to attach it just like this, and then you can trim off the excess with the scissors. This is actually the best way to do this because these are chemical resistant, and it really helps to adhere the silicone to the adapter in such cases that you need a little bit extra help. So it's kind of an insurance policy just in case, and it helps me know that I'm gonna have a great experience when I'm on the job and I need it to be extra reliable. On the back of the packaging, we have a cool visual here of several chemicals that it is compatible with, as well as here at the bottom, some things that you probably should not use it in for the best longevity. For example, it works really well with glass cleaners, all-purpose cleaners, degreasers, wheel cleaners, iron removers, and so many more chemicals. However, it is not compatible with acids, solvents, bleaches, or strong oxidizers. So thanks again for watching. Tilted is available in a 3, 6, and 12 pack at Autogeek.com. Happy spraying.